Hi friends, today we are seeing Wi-Fi adapter unboxing and I picked this up. You can see this is Panda PAU06 Wi-Fi adapter and it cost me around 4,000 but it's shown us, but I got this in offer. This Wi-Fi adapter Panda Wireless PAU06 300 Mbps Wi-Fi. This model is from Panda and this model name is PAU06 and we can see here 2.14 gigahertz adapter, this one, and it will support for XP Vista, means Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 and Mac and Linux. And we can see this side the cost and the specifications of this. You can see the requirements of the system, what if you need to connect this, these are the requirements you need to be followed, and it costs me around nearly 4,000, but here we can see that it is 5,000, but I purchased this from Amazon and we can see that it is a China product. And let's see this and unpack this and you can see and you can see here made in China. You can see the specifications and this is the adapter and we have antenna too. This is antenna what they have given and we can light this side and this, and we can do in 3 joints we have. And in this we will get this card and this manual, user manual, and you can see the user manual and the total specifications of this Wi-Fi adapter, and we can see that where it will be frequency band 2.14 and we can use this for packet injection de-authentication attacks and total. These are the these are the manual you can see and we can check them, and we can get this drivers included CD compact disc we can have with this, and we can branding Panda Wireless, and this is the disc what they have given. And here we can see that operating systems which it will be supported: Windows XP, Vista, Windows 10, 7, Mac OS and Linux. And this is the adapter and this is the DVD and this is the adapter what they have given, you can see. And by connecting this it will be okay. You need to connect this antenna to the adapter and we can use to all the platforms. It will support the virtual box Linux also, Kali Linux, but it should be updated by using apt update command. And we can see this one and the build quality and it was very nice. And you can see for starting it given me a trouble for using this, and after that I installed some drives and it will be working for packet injection and de-authentication attacks. And we can see by using the GenMap applications we can use all the tools for packet injections also, and you can see this it is good for all the things. And if your cost it costs around nearly 4,000, and if you have that amount you can buy it. If you have effort to pay nearly 6,000 or something, you can buy directly Alpha adapter, Alpha company adapter. It will be very nice, but it is you can see that it is made in China, so maybe it is but it is good, but its build quality also nice. If you have effort to pay nearly 6,000, it will be very nice to pay to buy that alpha adapter. But it is the low budget adapter. This Panda is the low budget adapter. Nearly it comes from 4K. I bought this in Amazon. And you can see this is the card what they have given, and these are the specifications. On this user manual, on this compact disc what they have given, and this is the packing what we have did. Only these are the items what we got from this for 4K. You can see that these are the only 5 we have. This is the waste, this is just a packing, and these 3 are the main things what we have. If we are using this for operating systems like this Windows, all these operations, this driver should be installed in your computer or in your system. After installing these drivers only it will be work nice, otherwise it will not work. You need to install these drivers. That's why they given this disk in this manner.